Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming on my channel. My name is Christina and today I'm going to be showing you my new Coach Tabby. I'm going to be going over information about the bag, a little backstory, and the price and everything. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like anything about this bag, please comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and subscribe. So from the website, again, it is the Tabby chain clutch with bead chain, and this is $295 US. For Canadian dollars, it is $375. The website, at least for US customers, it allows you to do 4 interest-free payments through Klarna, and the payments would be $73.75. So I took advantage of this offer and I did it that way. Product details. So this is a polished pebble leather. It has 8 credit card slots, inside zip and open pockets, a snap closure fabric lining, outside open pocket. It has a detachable chain strap with 23 inches drop for shoulder or crossbody wear. Instantly change the look of your bag with an interchangeable strap. So the dimensions are 7 3/4 length by 5 1/4 height and 1 1/4 width. Opening up the bag, you have a compartment in the front that maybe you can put a phone in or gum. Behind that first compartment, you have another one. Right here, it is like a suede material. It's very soft, very elegant, very beautiful, to be honest. And behind this first compartment, this is also the same material, suede. Turning it around, this part right here is a leather. Inside is similar to like a nylon feel for the zipper compartment. In the back of the zipper compartment, it is a leather. Then you have this part of it, which is a suede. In the back of that suede area, it is suede again. And then you have leather for the credit card parts. And back of the credit card parts, you have this area, which is suede and soft, the same thing as this material right here. The website says that it has 3 compartments, but I feel like it is much more roomier than that, because I'm guessing this is the first compartment, the second compartment, and the third compartment. But if you wanted to count this as a compartment because it's a zipper, you could, as well as this back area over here is also a little part that you can put some things inside. Altogether, I would say, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would say it's 5 compartments. You have this, which is 6, and then you have the back, which you can put a couple of things in there. Even though this might be a little bit of a smaller bag, I do think it has a lot of room. And because of the way the bag is and how it's structured, I think it's very flexible. So if you needed to kind of expand it, I don't think you really would have a problem with doing so, depending on the type of items that you have. Backstory about this bag: last year I bought this elegant, gorgeous black Tabby, and it was great. I still really love this bag. Since I have this bag, which I think is just so elegant, in black, I started to think, well, maybe I should get the version in white, and it was, I believe, like a pure white version. But I kept thinking about it because I thought, well, should I get it because I am always in black, and plus white gets dirty. So after I kept thinking about it, finally I was like, okay, you know what, let me just get it. When I was ready to get the bag, of course, it was discontinued, so I just kept searching for a white bag. Could not find anything that was pure white or something that I really liked and I was okay with splurging on. I went on the Coach website and I did the refined search option. I put white and this bag comes up. I would say that this is more an off-white. You can see in comparison to my closet doors, it's more of a bright pure white. Even comparing to the stuffing, you can see that this is more of a bright white and this is maybe an eggshell or an off-white. When I first got this bag, I was a little I don't want to say disappointed, but I was like, oh, you know, because it wasn't the pure white that I was searching and searching for and spending so much time looking for. I can overlook that because it is a gorgeous bag. It's elegant, it's timeless, it's so classy. And you can wear it going out to dinner, dressing up, or you can dress it down maybe with some jeans and cute boots. And even if I wear it all white monochromatic look, I'm okay because not all the shades have to be perfect for monochromatic, and this will be the shade that is a little bit different and kind of gives a little edge to the outfit in my opinion. Here is a comparison of the two tabbies. This was bought last year during the summertime, and this one was bought this year. Actually, this one I believe was bought in June last year, and I bought this in June, so almost like a year to the date, the difference. So again, this is discontinued unfortunately, and this is just the other version of the tabby. This is the gold chain. It's beautiful. It really is a gold, unlike the white on the website that it was described as white and it wasn't white. This is an actual gold metal. It is a bit shiny. I wouldn't say that it's dull. If you wanted a body reference, I am about 5'6", so this is the bag with the chain, and I would say it ends the length almost at my fingertips. This is the bag as a clutch. That is everything about my new Coach Tabby. If I left anything out, I will leave it down in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there's any recommendations, please comment down below, or anything I forgot, any questions you have, again, just comment down below. Please turn the notification bell on and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.